Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube video audio track language. So if you're on YouTube and you have a video that you're playing, it will start to play in the original audio track. So if I click on settings here, you will see that it shows audio track English. This is a video of mine. So if I start to play it, you're here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you. You can see that the video is in English, but if I click the settings gear and when I want to change a language, let's say I click on that, I can switch this to French, German, whatever language. So if I click, for example, French here and start to play.
Bonjour à tous, c'est Andrew. Bienvenue dans le tutoriel Drew. Dans cette vidéo,
You can see that it's in a different language. No, it will not have my voice basically speaking in French, but it will do a dubbing or a translated language of that video so that you can understand. So if you come across any video with a different language that you don't understand, you can easily go ahead and use these settings by clicking the settings gear and go to the audio track and change the language to a language that you desire. And that will help you to understand the video. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.